This some day number 2 shit. Nigga feeling real debonair. Light on the feet type feeling, you feel me? Stomach not full. Ain't ate shit in 2 days. This the second day of the fast, you feel me? So we alright. I'm loving it, for real, for real. Yeah, fuck losing weight and being healthy and all that type shit. It's a spiritual power that come with this fasting shit, you hear me? Once you know you can take over your brain, you can do anything. You feel me? You are a soul. A soul doesn't get hungry. It doesn't eat. A soul doesn't use words. It doesn't speak. When they tell you to fast and take that vow of silence, they mean that. I'm about to get my 40-day fast out the way. And then I'm going to take that vow of silence. It's not a game. You are only on earth to strengthen soul. If you are not strengthening your soul, you are missing it. If you think you're here to be popping, or to be twerking, or to work at Walmart, or just here to be rich, you are missing it. I don't give a fuck what you talking about. You feel me? If you're not here to strengthen soul, if you're not on your Tibetan monk shit, while they out there meditating for hours and not saying shit and not eating and shit, you think that they just doing that shit for nothing? You are missing it. They are an awoken people. You feel me? The Kundalini energy that you have in your body, yes, the earth has a Kundalini too. And that the crown chakra laid Tibet, it has moved now to Peru. But Tibet used to hold that crown chakra. That's why they are so enlightened. And that's why people in Peru are now becoming very enlightened. This shit is real. So fuck the health benefits from it, even though that's another positive and a pro to that, you feel me? But the spiritual strength that you gonna get and be able to astral project when you want to and talk to Tahuti when you want to and call on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 when you want to and draw that circle of Cinnabon and be able to cast out what you want to. That's what I'm about to do. Day 2, I'ma holler at y'all.